Hi everyone, so we're here at Wageningen University's Applied Centre for Renewable Resources in the Netherlands. We've just concluded our first project review meeting, documenting our work up to month 16 of the project. It's been a very successful meeting. We've been able to talk about all of the project activities during the first phase, how we've been scaling up green biorefinery technologies from bench to pilot and demonstration scale. We're getting some really nice results in terms of the different protein products for feed as well as food, and really nice results in areas such as the development of packaging materials and the development of fatty acids from the green biorefinery residues.
I'm Romy van der Weijden. I'm Senior Scientist at Wageningen University Research and then of the department ACRRES. And ACRRES is standing for Application Center of Renewable Resources. We do research on energy production on farm scale and also all types of renewable resources. And we are very pleased that we welcome the Rural BioReFarmeries groups here the last 3 days around our facilities. So we will visit one of the energy producing systems using the grass from Denmark and Ireland, and we also have some fibres from nature reservoirs in the Netherlands. These fibres can be used for making packaging material together with the company PaperFoam. We also have sidestreams like digestate, and we test whether we can use the digestate for the production of algae. We will also visit the algae installations of the company ACRRES, which is also part of our consortium.
These are the smaller test systems from ACRRES, which we use for seeing how well the algae grows on the digestates. At the moment, we're running an experiment comparing the growth of the algae in 2 different liquids. From the Rural project, we have a digestate from the anaerobic digestion process, and that's using the Dutch grass fibres. So this is how we do our small-scale anaerobic digestion for testing smaller quantities of grass. We do have a larger facility which is for tons of material, but for small-scale tests it's better for process development. So we have 3 different grasses from the Netherlands, from Denmark and from Ireland. To make it more compatible with the PaperFoam process, we do some small mechanical treatments to make it more machinable and so that it doesn't cause any blockages with the PaperFoam machine. And this is the material which is then passed on to PaperFoam for use in their packaging process.
My highlight of the last few days has been our visit to our industry partners, including ACRRES and also our industry partner PaperFoam, where they have a sustainable packaging processing facility right here in the Netherlands. And they've been taking fibres from the biorefinery process and developing these into really nice packaging materials. Working with industry partners like PaperFoam is really important for our project because we're able to bridge the gap between our research all the way up to industrial application. So we're improving the TRL. We've developed some really nice prototypes already, and over the next phase we'll be scaling those prototypes in an industrial manufacturing facility. This translates bioeconomy research into real-world applications.